Okay, so there are 4 types of joins and I put them here, and there is inner join, right join or full outer join. Now you have to understand that inner join it's also join and full outer join it's also full join. It's the same thing. And by looking at these circles you can kind of try to figure out what this means. But let's begin with inner join. So what inner join means? Inner join means that it will, when you inner join 2 tables, it will give the records that have matching results in both tables. So for example, I'm going to go to our database and to our 2 tables that we have created in the previous video. I'm going to type here a query tool. First, let's select everything from product, and let's select everything from product details. And as you can see, we have 4 records in product and 4 records in product details. And now let's try to do a join or inner join, and select from product inner join product details. Now I have to specify the condition. Product details ID is equal to product details product ID, and okay, product details. And as you can see, we have only 2 records. Now why is that? Let's go to product. As you can see, the first record has information in product, but this product details ID is null. And what will Postgres will try to do is will look in the first record, and it will try to look in the product details product details table with the respective ID, and because it's null, it's going to skip this record. And as you can see here, we don't have Samsung. And now it will go to Apple, and now on Apple it will look in the second row, and as you can see here in the second row we have product ID is null, so it will skip also Apple. And as you can see here, we don't have Apple because we don't have a matching results in both tables. This ID is null, so it will only retrieve Nokia and Microsoft. Why? Because we also have a matching record here, and we also have a matching record here, 3 and 4. This bi-directional relationship is set, and that's why it only retrieves these 2 records. So this is what inner join means. Only the matching results from table 1 and table 2. And by default, Postgres is going to do an inner join when you just specify join. So for example, if you want to retrieve all the products that also have product details, this is the way, and it's the most common join you will use. Now in the next video we will see other types of joins.